The universe is full of wonders. Today we stand on the cusp of a new era, one where intelligence transcends the boundaries of biology. This is the age of artificial intelligence, a revolution driven by the sheer power of generative AI. Imagine a world where machines compose symphonies, design life-saving drugs, and personalize education for every child. This is not science fiction. This is the future that generative AI is writing right before our very eyes. Generative AI is not just another tool, it is a partner in innovation, a collaborator in creativity, and a catalyst for progress on a scale never seen before. Like Prometheus gifting fire to mankind, generative AI empowers us with the ability to shape our destiny in ways we could only dream of. Let us embark on this adventure together. Generative AI, at its core, is a form of artificial intelligence that goes beyond simply analyzing existing data. Unlike traditional AI systems that primarily identify patterns and make predictions, generative AI takes a bold leap forward. It creates. Imagine a child learning to paint. They don't just copy what they see, they imagine, they experiment, they create something entirely new. This is the essence of generative AI. These intelligent systems, fueled by vast amounts of data, learn the underlying patterns and structures within that information. But here's where the magic happens. They use this learned knowledge to generate something entirely new, something original, something that didn't exist before. It is like teaching a computer the rules of language and then setting it free to write poetry, compose music, or even generate realistic images that mimic the stroke of a painter's brush. At the heart of generative AI lies a powerful engine neural networks. These networks are inspired by the very structure of the human brain, with interconnected nodes that mimic the way neurons communicate with each other. Just as our brains learn from experience, neural networks learn from data. They sift through massive data sets, identifying patterns and relationships that would be impossible for humans to process. This process of teaching a neural network is called deep learning. Imagine showing a child thousands of pictures of cats. Over time, the child's brain learns to recognize the features that define a cat: the pointy ears, the whiskers, the tail. Similarly, a neural network trained on a dataset of cat images learns to identify these defining features. But generative AI goes a step further. It can then use this learned knowledge to generate an entirely new image of a cat, one that it has never seen before. Section 4. A world transformed generative AI in action. The impact of generative AI is already being felt across industries, transforming the way we work, live, and play. In healthcare, it's accelerating drug discovery, personalizing treatment plans, and even assisting in complex surgeries. Imagine a world where AI analyzes medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases in their earliest stages. In the realm of entertainment, generative AI is composing music, writing screenplays, and creating immersive virtual worlds that blur the lines between reality and fantasy. Picture AI-powered video games that adapt to your every move, generating storylines and challenges tailored to your unique playing style. Education is being revolutionized as generative AI personalizes learning experiences, tailoring content to individual student needs. Imagine AI tutors that provide personalized feedback, adapt to different learning styles, and make quality education accessible to everyone, regardless of background. Businesses are harnessing the power of generative AI to automate tasks, improve customer service, and drive innovation. Create new opportunities and industries. Section 6. A future forged together. AI and humanity. The future of generative AI is not about machines replacing humans. It's about machines and humans working together to create something extraordinary. It's about augmenting our abilities, pushing the boundaries of creativity, and solving problems that have long plagued humanity. Imagine a world where AI helps us develop sustainable energy solutions, cure diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, and personalize education for every child on the planet. Generative AI is not a threat to our humanity, it is a reflection of our own ingenuity. It is a tool that, when used responsibly, has the potential to unlock a future filled with possibilities we can only begin to imagine. The future is not preordained, it is ours to create. And with generative AI as our ally, the possibilities are truly limitless.